Are you having trouble connecting to Xbox Live? You're not alone, and I'm here to help you fix it quickly. So first, let's check your internet connection. So make sure that your Wi-Fi is working and that your Xbox is connected to it. So you can test this by going to the network settings on your Xbox and running a connection test. If that doesn't work, try restarting your Xbox. So you hold the power button down for 10 seconds. You're going to wait for it to turn off and then turn it back on. This can often fix small connection problems. Now, another simple fix is to check your Xbox Live subscription, all right? So if it's expired or if it's not working, go to settings and then go to account and then make sure that your subscription is up to date. If needed, you can renew it right there. Also, make sure that your Xbox is set to the correct time zone. If the time zone is wrong, it can cause connection issues. You can check and change this in the settings under System and Time Zone, all right? Now, lastly, try resetting your network settings. So go to Settings, Network, and select Network Settings. Then choose Advanced Settings and reset everything to default, all right? Once you've done all that, you should be good to go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.